Hi everyone, I'm down here. Hi, I'm Hadass and welcome to Tip Talk. In this episode, I'd like to talk to you about talking presentations and how you can create your own talking bubble just like this. Are you ready? Let's go. In this episode, I'd like to walk you through the talking presentations that you have within Canva. Once you have your presentation made and ready to go, you can head over to Canva's recording studio. You do that by clicking right up here on these three dots, opening this menu, and clicking once again on Present and Record. Once we click on this, you can go ahead to the recording studio and let's see how we do that. Now we have to set up our camera and microphone. Well, there I am. And let's just pick our camera and pick our microphone, and then we can start recording. Once I click on that, I have this 3-second countdown, and here we go. Now let's see what we have here. While I'm talking about my presentation, explaining everything I need, you can see you have a timer at the top left corner. You can also pause your recording if you need to take a break or think about something, and you can always resume it back. You can also add notes to yourself, and do notice that these notes will not show up in the presentation itself. The only thing that will appear on your presentation is everything you see inside this red frame. So I can also use this for my notes. So right here, let's say I want to add some notes for myself so I don't forget anything. I can do it right here and add some notes. I can pause, write them down here, and resume my recording once again. Once I'm done talking, I just end the recording right here, click on End Recording, and then my recording will be uploaded. Notice that you have to keep this browser window open while uploading, and it might take a little while depending on the length of your presentation. Once your recording link is ready, you can copy the link and share it with anyone you'd like. You can also discard it. You can also save and exit. And you can also download this. When downloading your presentation, it will be downloaded as an MP4 file. Once you download or copy the link, let me show you what it looks like. Down, and here we go. Now let's see what we have here while I'm talking about my presentation. Now, one more thing I want to show you is once you play this recording, you can see down here on this timeline, you have these dots. These dots are actually every new slide that appears on the screen, so you can just jump over from one slide to the other. You can skip forward or skip backward, and you can also speed up or slow down your presentation. This will also affect your talking speed. And here we go. Now let's see what we have here while I'm talking about my presentation. Okay, you get the idea. Right here I can present full screen and exit full screen. That's it. Super fun, super easy. That's it. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Tip Talk, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.
Wow, thank you Adas for these precious tips, and thank you for watching this video until the end. I have two playlists right here for those of you who want to go a bit deeper and keep learning. This one right here is a collection of step-by-step Canva tutorials, and this one gathers all of our Canva Space webinar recordings where Canva experts teach about all sorts of topics.